What is up, movement traders? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight into the video. Today we are going to be talking about technical analysis. You already know that's how it goes in this channel. Technical analysis every day for the rest of 2021. Let's go. So we're going to be talking about bull and bear flags. You already know how that goes. I think a lot of you have heard about these flags, and a lot of traders use these flags. Now, what is a bull flag? What is a bear flag? Okay, basically this can tell us the continuation pattern of a trend, or it can tell us a reverse pattern of a trend. Now, I'm going to be using a couple of examples, okay? What we need to do here is watch the whole flag form. We need to watch the whole flag form. Okay, you already know what a flag is, right? A flag, we expect to have the pole. That is a pole. Let me use arrows actually. In a flag, we expect to have a pole. So this is what we are taking as our pole. Be it slanted, be it straight, it is still a pole. Okay, and then on a pole, what do we have? On a pole, we have a base. No, go back. On a pole, we have a base. This is the base, and we have a tip. That is the tip. You understand, right? So your flag should have a pole, which has a base and a tip, right? And then we have the flag, right? Now I'm gonna draw the flag. Okay, let me use arrows. See, what is this? Fine, let me not use arrows, let me use straight lines. Okay, we have the flag, right? This, you draw it nicely on your charts when you're now analyzing this. As you can see, we have a flag. This is a flag. Okay, so guys, what I want you to do is capitalize on the opportunity. This is what we use these flags for. We watch out for the whole flag formation, right? So what we should look for is a breakout or a pushback up. Here we are considering you have drawn your trend line from previous things, and we consider this point as a breakout going up here. Considering how you've drawn your trend lines from behind, we are anticipating that this whole part does not exist. That whole part doesn't exist. We are like somewhere here. Y'all understand, right? So you would have drawn your trend lines like that, and then this part here, this was your trend line. You're drawing your trend line like that, and it was acting as a resistance point, so it bounced back from there and it's going up. You understand? So you already know what I'm saying, what I mean when I say a breakout. Exactly. So we want a breakout, and after a breakout, so this point, we're considering this point a breakout, we want a swing high. As you can see, this is our pole. It is a swing high, right? And then after our swing high, we need a little bit of resistance. Swing low, you see, swing low. It started to drop, go up, drop, go up, drop a little bit. If you can say, I use the 15-minute time frame because this has to be, you don't have to like make it so long and stuff, you know. A little swing low, forming a support and resistance here, this little trend line. And then now I want you to notice something. You could use this as a continuation, or you could use this as a reversal. Now, when it starts to break this trend line with your resistance, that's your resistance, right? And this is your support. When after all these flag formation, we said you watch out for the whole flag formation, right? So this is the only way you can capitalize on the opportunity. So you've been looking, you've been watching out, watching all this part, and then finally we are here, and then it breaks out. All the ones that have watched our videos on this channel, they know that if you are not doing aggressive trading, you would have stayed out of this trade. But if you're aggressive trading, you'd have entered as soon as this closed. Reason why I said aggressive trading is because no one has waited for this to retrace back on the trend line, but you'd have entered when it closed. And Since you did not have support levels from the previous occasions, you would have put your stop loss, your take profit right here. Right here. And as sure as anything, this thing hit right there. And then now you want to wait and see what the market is going to do next. Sure as anything, it hit that resistance zone, broke out a little bit. Anyone who follows our videos knows that you do not take a trade there. This would have been your zone, right? Waited for it to break out, this false breakout here, and it did not close outside the thing. It came back, and you would have entered right there, and then capitalized on all this, all that, right? This is basically one example of a bull flag, bear flag. I want you to go and notice we have swing high flag. You can find this on a lot of charts. Do your thing, look at your flags nicely. It doesn't matter if it's tilted or not. Look at your charts nicely, get opportunities of a flag. Here is another flag right here. Notice this one, it even shows continuation. Notice we have the swing high, we have a short swing low form of resistance, right? And continuation. Those that watched that, look at this. Is it not Morningstar? This is so interesting. So if you follow our videos, you can see a lot of tips, a lot of things that you can use in making your trading game the best. Thank you for all those that have subscribed, and stay tuned, guys. We are dropping bangers every day from back to back, guys, every week. You know how it goes in this channel. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and press that like button. It's been Movement FX, and we're out with this video. Peace.